Welcome to the world of ham radio. Now, in this video, I am going to share question paper number 14. This stuff is quite useful to those aspirants who wish to become ham radio operator, and they can prepare independently and they can very easily qualify this restricted grade examination. I have been continuously forwarding these model papers, quite useful, which I collected, the stuff which I have been collecting almost for the 20 years. I am in this field for the last 40 years. The objective types of questions are being asked almost for the 2 decades, more than. I have been collecting some data and sharing it to the people, and with a view to encourage these people to join in the ham radio fraternity. Without wasting any time, I'm straight away going into the model paper number 14. Prior to this, once again, I'm requesting you to subscribe kindly. I'm planning to conduct special training for to my subscribers free of cost, 3 hours continuously, clear all the doubts about ham radio, and which will definitely help them in submitting application and also preparation of the model papers. Please kindly subscribe once again and send your number to my WhatsApp number so that I will include in the Google Meet. You can avail this facility free of cost. Now, the model paper number 14. Which of the following cannot be discussed on an amateur club net? Business planning. You cannot talk anything about business planning. What is the name for the distance an AC signal travels during a complete cycle? That complete cycle means positive cycle and negative cycle from this point to this point. That is equivalent to wavelength. Alpha is the right option. Which of the following criteria will make a candidate eligible for qualify in general amateur station operator's license? Qualify in section A and B theoretical examination. This is correct. Qualify in Morse code transmission and reception test at 8 words per minute. So, and hence both these cases are correct. So, correct option is both A and B. Charlie is the right option. Which of the following frequency band authorized for amateurs in UHF? In UHF, 434 to 438 megahertz. This is the frequency allotted for hams in India. The transmission of characters VVV, 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 DE, VU2, NRO. This type of signal is testing signal. Testing signal Morse code. Yes, testing signal Morse code. VVV, series of V's. So, it is also testing signal, but this is in voice mode. That means the numbers, they have to be pronounced in figure code. So here Morse code is correct. Bravo is the right option. The time difference between IST and UTC is 5 hours 30 minutes, 5.30 hours. So this is the difference between IST and UTC. That means IST is leading and UTC is lagging. 5.5 hours is the difference. The radiation in and reception from unnecessary directions can be minimized by using Unnecessary directions. This you have to remember. So for this to happen, you need to use directional antenna. Charlie is the right option. As per Articles 5 of ITU radio regulations, frequency allotted for amateur service in region 2 is, so actually in region 2, so this is the frequency 135.7. It is a very low frequency, 137.8 kilohertz. This is allotted to region 2, like North America, like these countries, for experiment purpose, 135.7 to 137.8. So please kindly remember this frequency, 135 to 137. Which of the following statement is not correct? No person shall decode an encrypted subscription programming signal without permission of the lawful distributor. This is correct. We have to identify not correct answer. This is correct. So this is not the correct answer, but this statement is correct. No person shall without lawful excuse interference with or obstruct any radio communication. This statement is also correct. Remember, here you have to identify the statement which is not correct. So a person may decode an encrypted subscription programming signal and retransmit it to the public. It is wrong. That means it is not correct. So correct option is Charlie. Question number 10. The emission stands for an AM broadcast with 3 kilohertz bandwidth is. Here AM broadcast means A3 means AM broadcast only, all AM broadcast. But you have to identify the correct frequency 3 kilohertz. 3 kilohertz can be written like 3K00. These are all bandwidth pro forma. 4 letter. You have to show it in 4 letters. So after K, these zeros won't carries any value. So it is automatically equal to 3K. So here in this case, A3E 3K00. Bravo is the right option. Kindly observe these type of questions are like this. The abbreviation VA means end of work. Charlie is the right option. The first character in class of emission signifies about type of modulation of the main carrier. So this is the first character in the emission. Like suppose for example, A3E is there. Emission, these are emission 3 letters. So first letter A means amplitude modulation. If in this case F3 is there, this is frequency modulation. P3 is there, phase modulation. The first character in class of emission signifies about type of modulation of the main carrier. Bravo is the right option. If you are adjusting an antenna matching unit using an SWR bit, you should adjust for. The right option is minimum reflected power. Charlie is the right option. Minimum reflected power. So we have to see so that reflected power should be very, very minimum. So then only forward power will be more. So question number 14. When are you prohibited from helping a station in distress? You are never prohibited from helping any station in distress. So that means in distress, we can help to any station. Charlie is the right option. 15. Amateur license is issued by WPC wing, Wireless Planning Coordination Wing. Right option. 16. What does abbreviation AA means? This AA means all after. Alpha is the right option. Next question is which of the following frequency band authorized for amateurs in UHF? So 434 to 438 megahertz. Charlie is the right option. The transmission of characters VVV, 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 DE, VE2, NRO denotes the following type of signal. This is test signal in Morse code. VVV, VVV, test signal in Morse code. So, who is giving this test signal? VE2 NRO station. The time difference between IST and UTC is 5 hours 30 minutes. Bravo is the right option. 20. Question number 20. Which code is sent using dits and dots in radio telegraphy? So Morse code. Charlie is the right option. 21. WPC stands for Wireless Planning and Coordination. So alpha is the right option. 22. The region between Earth surface and stratosphere is troposphere. The region between Earth surface, this is Earth surface, and stratosphere. In between, one more layer is also there, that is troposphere. Earth and between Earth and stratosphere. Correct option is troposphere. As per Article 5 of ITU radio regulations, International Telecommunication Union radio regulations, North American continent lies mainly in region 2. Charlie is the right option. What does abbreviation ETA means? Estimated time of arrival. Bravo is the right option. The last question, 25, is in these options, the license fee for restricted grade amateur license for life term under new rule is, that is 2000 rupees is the right option. 25 questions are completed. So if you can able to write 25 questions, total 25 questions, so you will be awarded 25 into 2, 50 marks. Each question will carries 2 marks. So time limit is 30 minutes. So you can easily get this 50 marks if you follow all my videos. I have been collecting this data for almost 30 years. So this is quite useful and valuable information I am sharing with a view to bring more and more people into this activity, since Hams are considered to be the national resource. Please kindly support me by subscribing and sharing my channel to others. I'm also planning to conduct 3-hour training session freely on any suitable Sunday exclusively for the benefit of my subscribers. Please kindly support once again. With this, Ramesh Babu Arja signing off, and I will come along with some other model paper stuff, model paper number 15. Till then, 73 best wishes. Bye now.